हेलो स्टूडेंट, मैं सौरभ कोहली आपका स्वागत करता हूं अपने यूट्यूब चैनल में। आज हम चर्चा करने वाले हैं पुस्तकालय विज्ञान के उन महत्वपूर्ण प्रश्नों का जो कि हर एग्ज़ाम्स के लिए इम्पॉर्टेंट है, चाहे वो केवीएस हो, एनवीएस हो, DSSB हो या राजस्थान का हो। लाइब्रेरियन एग्ज़ाम कोई भी हो, ये वीडियो सीरीज़ आपके लिए बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट है। इस चैनल को लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब करना बिल्कुल ना भूलें। और इस स्लाइड में मेरी एजुकेशन के बारे में है और मेरे चैनल के बारे में है, इसे भी ज़रूर देख लें ताकि आपको कौन इंस्ट्रक्टर पढ़ा रहे हैं।
हेलो स्टूडेंट, मैं सौरभ कोहली आपका स्वागत करता हूं अपने यूट्यूब चैनल में। आज हम चर्चा करेंगे टाइप्स ऑफ लाइब्रेरी के एमसीक्यू क्वेश्चंस की। ये एमसीक्यू क्वेश्चन हर लाइब्रेरी एग्जाम्स में पूछ लिए जाते हैं और ये DSSB, KVS, NVS, UPPCS और भी अन्य लाइब्रेरी और लाइब्रेरी असिस्टेंट एग्ज़ाम्स के लिए काफ़ी उपयोगी हैं। आप इस चैनल के साथ जुड़े रहें, इसे लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब करना बिल्कुल ना भूलें। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं एमसीक्यूज़ की सीरीज़।
What are special libraries? Who are specific from point of view of collection users and services? The demand of users in special library mainly is through the subject of the book. The library for blind and handicapped located at Dehradun. What kind of library is this? Special library. What kind of library is the Library of National Physical Laboratory? Special library. What are called those libraries in which services are fully automated and all resources are in digital form? Digital libraries. What is called the libraries of digital document, artifacts and needs? Digital library. What has made the establishment of digital library possible? Continuous development in information technology. Which name cannot be given to a digital library, computer library?
What is the correct about digital library? It is collection of information contained in so many computers. Which one is not the characteristic of a digital library? Network is not accessible. What is called the libraries that are without resources but resources simply may be a collection of web resources? Virtual library. The library with little or no physical process of reading materials, reading space or supporting staff is called virtual library. The libraries whose resources are in both electronic and conventional forms, the functions are fully automated with CD-ROMs networking are called electronic library. In which media the model of a virtual library system can be created? Hypermedia. What is the use of accessing a virtual library? Hypercard. What is the basic problem of virtual library system? Do not include all the resources of library in hypercard. What was the main and important problem of libraries today, which has been solved by digital library? Spacing problem. What is not the merit of the digital libraries? It provides sources of information in physical form. Those who came to read the book in the library, readers, are called readers. Those who came to make use of the libraries are called users. The modern library should be a user oriented. Library collection, processing, organizing, management and all service are entirely geared on which of the following in the libraries? Users. The group of users of the library is called user community. The user community may also be of diverse group of persons, only of one type of person. The user community may also be of single category of users. The user community of a public library comprised of composite group of users. Who contributed about the systematic use of the user education? PB Knapp. What is the meaning of user education? Trained to use the library. What are the main users of a university library? Researchers. What is called the process by which the users of the libraries are acquainted with the library environment, its collection, the tools of providing access to the collection and other type of services? User orientation. Which college experimented user education for the first time? Graduate School of Librarianship. Which school is related with user education? PNAP. What is called the method of knowing me? Knowing the information searching behavior of the users. User studies. What is the meaning of user studies? Study of needs of the users. How many type of user studies are there? What are their names? Behavior, use and information flow studies. What are the methods of user studies? Measurement of use, surveys of the user, community profile, and all the above is the right answer. What is called that user studies which is conducted to find out the pattern to overall interaction of the users community with the communication system? Answer is behavior studies. What does behavior studies of the user reveal? Answer is scientists spend half of the time of their working hours in searching. What is called that user study which is conducted to find out the way of use of any communication media such as primary or secondary periodical use studies. What is called that user study which is conducted to find out the pattern of flow of information in the communication system? Information flow studies. Who had made some excellent studies regarding the communication system in the field of psychology? Garvey and Griffith. What is the meaning of measurement of use? All of the above. What is called the method of user studies which is undertaken to assess the information gathering habits of library users? Survey of the users. Why it is essential to study users' need for information? To assess the need for information of users. Survey of the users of the library are conducted for what? To assess the information gathering habits of users, to assess their approach to seek the uses of document, to assess the extent of reliance of collection in library. All the above is the right answer. Please like, share and subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for updates.